morning. Today we'll continue logarithms exercise. Before going to third problem, once I want to explain in first problem, last one, ninth bit. In first ninth bit, 2 to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 2. What he is asking is, he is asking to determine its value. How to determine its value, we'll see that. By seeing this question, we have to get a formula like a to the power of m plus n. If anyone will ask what is the formula for a to the power of m plus n, means a to the power of m into a to the power of n. These two bases are equal, and if you are multiplying, powers must be added. It is 6th class problem. Its LHS is compared with this one. So, if a power m plus n, you can write like this. If 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2, in place of m you have 2, in place of n you have log 3 base 2, in place of a you have 2. This, if you expand, you are getting 2 square into 2 power log 3 base 2. Now 2 square is nothing but 4 into 2 power log 3 base 2 is there here. Keep it as equation number 1. Now what you have to do, you have to find the value of 2 power log 3 base 2 separately you have to find in this part. So its value we don't know. Let its value you are assuming as x. Its value you are assuming as x. Since 2 is there, I am taking both sides log base 2. Take log to the base 2 on both sides. Both sides you are taking log to the base 2. Then here log base 2 is there, 2 power log 3 base 2 is equals to log x base 2. Here log base 2 you took in LHS, log base 2 you took on RHS. Here x is there, this one is there. In LHS if you compare, log 2 power you are saying, you have one formula, log a power m base x. What you can write? M log a to the base x you can write it. Whatever power is there, it becomes like a coefficient I said. So log 3 base 2 is power of 2. So it comes to coefficient. Log 3 base 2 into log 2 base 2 is equals to log x base 2. Now what is the value of log 2 base 2? I said already formula log a to the base a. Always it is 1. So log 2 base 2 in this place we can write 1. Log 3 base 2 into 1 is equals to log x base 2. So log 3 base 2 into 1 means log 3 base 2 only is equals to log x to the base 2. Now cancel log base 2 on both sides. Then what you have here? X is equal to 3. Therefore x equals to 3. But what is x here? X is the value of 2 power log 3 base 2. Means if you substitute 2 power log 3 base 2 entire value got as 3. It is equation number 2. Its value, if you substitute in equation number 1, this 4 as it is into this entire value got as 3 only. So the question becomes 4 into 3. What is the value of 4 into 3? 12. So what is the value of 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2 means its value is 12. See, I didn't do anything. 2 power log 3 base 2 value I found separately. I got 3 and I substituted 2 power log 3 base 2 value as 3. 4 into 3, it is 12. Now we will go for third problem. Just copy it. Now third problem, if I will read, evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y. If it is given that x is equals to log 3 base 2 and y is equal to log 5 base 2. Third problem, x is equals to log 3 base 2 and y is equals to log 5 base 2. And he is asking that express all in terms of x and y. Evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y, whereas x value is this, y value is this one. Now what is the question? First question, log 15 to the base 2. Log 15 to the base 2. He is asking that represent log 15 to the base 2 in terms of x and y. Log 15 to the base 2 you should express in terms of x and y. So as I said that 15, if you do prime factorization, 15, the least prime number which can divide 15 is 3. 3 5s are 15. In prime factorization of 15 you can write log 3 into 5 base 2. For this you have one formula, log m into n. It is like log mn base 2. Log mn. What is the formula for log mn means? Log m plus log n. Log m plus log n. Here base a is there. Here also for both logarithms you will have same base. Here what you have base 2. So it's the expansion log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 will come. How you got this means you applied this formula for this one. Log m into n. In place of m you have 3, in place of n you have 5. In RHS, in place of m you substituted 3, in place of n you substituted 5. A means here base is 2, we written like this. But in question, what is log 3 base 2 value? X. In place of log 3 base 2 entire, we can write x or not. Then after log 3 base 2 what you have? Plus. Log 5 to the base 2 is there. Log 5 to the base 2 value he given as y. So it is x plus y. So you express the log 15 to the base 2 in terms of x and y. What he is asking is, whatever the question he is giving, you have to write in terms of x and y. Then we will go for, in this only second problem. In this the second problem is log 7.5 to the base 2 is given. Log 7.5 to the base 2. What you have to do? You have to express in terms of x and y. So log as it is 75 as it is by 10 to the base 2. After decimal you have one digit, so you can write 75 by 10 or not. So I written like this, and in 5 table if I cancel, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 5 2s are. You are getting a log 15 by 2 to the base 2. Log 15 by 2 to the base 2 you got it. So log m by n you can write it or not. This you can write as log m by n means log m minus log n. Log m minus log n. So again, here 15 is there. First problem, as it is log 15 base 2 is there. You wrote as log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 minus log 2 base 2 value is what? Log 3 base 2 means what? X. What log 5 base 2? Y. So the value of entire log 7.5 to the base 2 is means you are expressing log 7.5 to the base 2 in terms of x and y. X plus y minus 1 is equals to log 7.5 to the base 2. Here, this problem log 15 to the base 2 is just now I explained how you got these two. Same I substituted its value over here. Next we will go for fourth question in exercise 1.5, fourth question. If you read the question, expand log 1000. Expand log 1000. Already you know about what is the meaning of expansion. It is like single logarithm or not. You have to express. You have to express as multiple logarithms, or you have to expand this one. How you can expand this value, we will see it. So here, base they did not give. If base is not given, we can write this as base as 10. So log 1000 we can, what you can do is prime factorization, you can do it to 500s, to 250s, to 125s, 525s, 55s. How you can write is log 2 cube into 5 cube, you can write it. Log 1000 I made as prime factorization and I expressed as product of primes. I got like this. By seeing this, you should get one formula. In logarithms, I already said to you some formula. It is like log 2 cube is m and 5 cube is n. Log m into n. What is the formula for log m into n? Log m plus log n. So you can write log 2 cube plus log 5 cube. Then again you are saying log 2 cube. It is not log 3 to the base 2. It is log 2 cube. Log a power m formula is m log a. Log a power m formula is m log a. Means you can write 3 log 2 plus 3 log 5. 3 log 2 plus 3 log 5. What you done is you expanded log 1000 as like this. Okay. So one more if you want. I'll do last one. That is fifth question. Expand only. Expand log under root x cube by y square. See it is, you have to do expansion. Instead of numbers they given alphabets. How you have to expand? Already you know that root x, this symbol states that it is square root. In its exponential form, if you write x to the power of 1 by 2, it becomes. This is called radical form. It is called exponential form. Root is called radical form. Radical form. And this is called exponential form. Exponential form. It is exponential form. It is radical form. First, you are taking the question as log under root x cube by y square. This root I am expressing as x cube by y square whole to the power of 1 by 2. Log x cube by y square whole to the power of 1 by 2. This by reading itself you are saying that log a power m or not. Means this is power. Power will becomes like coefficient I said already. So you can write half log x cube by y square. Half log x cube by y square. By seeing this half as it is, open the brackets, log m by n is there. Log m by n means log m minus log n. So log m means x cube, n means y square. If you won't write this bracket, it is wrong. This because this half belongs to both the numbers. Now log x cube you are saying this 3 is power only, it becomes coefficient. Half into 3 log x minus 2 log y. Half into 3 log x minus 2 log y. Still what you have to do is, with half you can multiply it. Then 3 by 2 log x minus 2 by 2 log y. What is the value of 2 by 2? Cancels and 1. The answer is 3 by 2 log x minus log y. What you done is, they given this one and you expanded this one. So this is problem number 4. Next we will go for problem number 5. Problem number 5. 5 is, if x square plus y square is equals to 25xy, then prove that. Then prove that 2 log of x plus y is equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Here, once see this exercise is important I said. From here onwards, essay questions. These will come for 4 marks questions. So, how to do it, we will see it. So, if is given, if after x square plus y square is equal to 25xy is given, means you have to use this one. And you have to prove this value as like this. By using this, its value, you have to prove this one. So, how we have to do, we will see it. First, what is given? If after whatever mathematical statement is called, it is called hypothesis. Given or hypothesis is what here? X square plus y square is equals to 25xy. It is given for us. Then, if you observe here, this 2 is coefficient for log or not. If you take to this side, it becomes x plus y whole square. M log a power m. This 2 becomes power for x plus y. So, here x square plus y square is there. Here x plus y whole square is there. X plus y whole square formula, x plus y whole square formula, not only x square plus y square, you will have 2xy term also. But here 2xy term is not there. What you have to do is add 2xy on both sides. Why you have to add means according to this one. In LHS you have 2 log x plus y, log x plus y whole square is there. To get x plus y whole square, here 2xy is deficiency is there. Means 2xy is not there in this one. So you are adding 2xy on both sides. It becomes x square plus y square plus 2xy in LHS. Already in RHS 25xy is there. You are adding 2xy again more. In LHS you can write x plus y whole square, and in RHS like terms, it is also xy, it is also xy. 25 chocolates plus 2 chocolates. xy means a chocolate. For 25 chocolates, if you add 2 chocolates, You are getting 27 chocolates, 27xy. Now you got like this. Then what you have to do? We should take log on both sides. We have to take a log on both sides. What happens when you are taking log on both sides? You are getting log x plus y whole square in LHS, log 27xy in RHS. In LHS, log a power m is there. Log a power m log a means 2 log of x plus y is equal to. And here 27 is a number, x is one variable, y is another variable. We have one formula log mn, log m plus log n. But here log xyz, three terms are there. Log x plus log y plus log z. What you can write is log 27 plus log x plus log y you can write it. How you can write? Means log ABC is equal to log a plus log b plus log c. Then here log 27 in prime factorization, 3 9s are 3 3s are. In prime factorization of 23 you can write 27 as 3 cube or not. Same 27 means I am writing as 3 cube. This log x and log y write as it is. And you are reading it is log 3 cube. It is not log 3 base 3. Log 3 cube. Log a power m formula m log a. So this becomes 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So what you have to prove is 2 log x plus y value you have to prove as 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So in LHS you have 2 log x plus y only, and you proved 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So remaining problems are, write